Hi, my name is Bill Gaviria. I'm the Senior Product Manager for RF and DMM. I've been with Fluke for 18 years. We're here to talk about the 8588, some of the features that customers have liked, and some of the enhancements that it has out in the market.
Thank you, Bill. I'm Richard Roddis. I'm the Strategic Account Manager. I've been with Fluke for 40 years, be 40 years this year, and looking forward to talking about it and its capabilities. Yeah. So somebody brings this into their Cal lab, it's replacing a lot of equipment they would have had. So obviously you need to measure voltage very accurately, you need to measure AC very accurately. You've got a current setup. Again, you've got current shunts to get to the high current, 30 amps. You remove that capability. You may have had to do some voltage dividing and to compare higher voltages to lower voltages. You've got the ratio. So again, that replaces the dividers. So the applications in the Cal lab are all over the place, whatever you want to do. You want to calibrate calibrators. It's got the capability in here as well.
So it's not only just a calibration meter, but general purpose research development, very high accuracy. Yep. We could use it in GPUs testing, chip testing. We can use it in aerospace research. So it sounds like the functionality, the total functionality is really well.
Anywhere that you're looking for precision, and now that you've got the 30 amps, it makes it ideal for areas where you've got power supplies that you need to measure the current accurately. Semiconductor, we've got a large semiconductor customer who actually uses this to verify the test systems. They need the precision, they need the voltage and resistance, and that's worked out very, very satisfactory for them.
I've seen applications like for fuel cells, I've seen applications for all kinds. And from a temperature perspective, running voltage thermal curves. So from an application, I've seen quite a bit of uses.
Yeah, and with the digitizer as well. If someone's in a fuel cell or battery test, you're wanting to see the voltage drop off, and you're not going to get that with a scope, for example, and you're not going to get the precision. This will actually digitize in both voltage and current, so you could see it
with a large memory.
With a large memory,
so I can see a whole slew of information.
Exactly, and then you can even download it afterwards and then do your analysis, and you can say, okay, I was testing this battery and this happened. Oh, now I can see exactly what
that's
happened.
Really good.
But the applications are really dependent on what you want to measure. If you want to measure something with precision and speed, this will do it for you.
I've also seen that in our own factory, we've made huge changes and improved speed and have improved our own processes because we have an instrument that is a lot faster. It's more qualifies more.
Exactly.
Less zeroing, like you said earlier. It has the ability to put it in that digitizer mode and walk away and just look at it and glad to know whether you're making a good measurement.
No, exactly. And the speed of throughput means if you're calibrating something or you're making something and you want to improve, so you can get more of those widgets out per second, this is the instrument.
Yeah. And from an ATE perspective, I think I heard you say yes. We're already using these in some of those applications, replacing some of our competitor instruments that just have some age.
Yep.
Great meters, but just have some age. New technology, visual graphics, visual management, easy to get to. You know exactly where you're at just by the glance or the look of the instrument, statistical package, voltage, current, the work.
Everything,
so,
everything.
All in one
box. It really
box.
is the meter for the lab, but also the meter for the ATE.
Okay, yeah.
And up-to-date technology. It's modern technology.
Great.
Well, we hope you liked the overview that we gave you of the 8588. Its capability really helps the customer and really will help your lab or other applications.
And I'd like to thank our sales teams and, Richard, with that type of information, it helps me, move this meter into different applications. Look for us on the web. You'll find some application notes, consult a Fluke team member, and we'd be happy to show it to you. Thank you, Richard.
Thank you, Bill.
You're welcome.
It's been fun.